Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video of LeetCode playlist, and today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem number 242, which is called the valid anagram. In this problem we have given the two strings, which is S and T, and we have to find if the T is the anagram of S or not. So basically an anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase using all the original letters exactly one time. For example, we have given S equals to anagram and T equals to this. So these both are anagrams. Right. S equals to red. In second example, we have given S equals to red and T equals to because that's why this is not anagram number. So basically, first of all, we in the code we use the if condition with s dot len is not equals to t dot len. Then we return false because simply anagram contains uh, both the string size are same. Okay, if there is not same size, then return false. Okay. After that, we'll use a sort method to sort this string step by step, like this s dot begin to s dot end and sort t, t dot begin and t dot end. At the end, we'll return s equals to t. So this is a very simple problem. Let's check this code. Okay, there is a small mistake. Okay, you can see here both the test cases are passed successfully. Thank you.